How to apply for family visit visa. Now I will explain you full process, step by step. Required documents. Visit visa application. Visa application form you can download from the link given in the description of this video. Copy of the visitor's passport valid for 6 months or more after applying. 1 passport-sized photo, recently taken with white background. Proof of kinship. Please note that certificates issued from the embassy department are not counted. Salary certificate. Original and copy of the civil ID of the sponsor. PCC, police clearance certificate. Once you have collected all these documents, then you can start the process for apply the visit visa. Procedures for apply the visit visa. Step number 1. If you are a Kuwaiti citizen, visit the General Department of Immigration in any governorate and submit the required documents. If you are a non-Kuwaiti resident, visit the General Department of Immigration in the governorate as per your Kuwait civil ID address and submit the required documents. Step number 2. Fill the service application form. You can download this form from the link given in the description of this video. Step number 3. Pay the fees, which is 3 Kuwaiti dinars.